Hello everyone, I'm Betty from Home. Today we will make a video introduce how to work between MDVR8102SP for channel car diva and DSM only car. Thank you watching. Unscrew the slip cap screw first. Stick on the white shield. Match and store the device tightly. Insert a 2-piece TF card and 1-piece 4G SIM card in the slot and lock the cover. Connect ACC GND power cable with your car's battery accordingly. Use a mobile phone to search Wi-Fi and password 69. Set relevant configuration to make it online. Details show on the menu. Adjust the lens, road view, and inside cabin view. Connect the video cable, RX cable, with QHMDVR8102 SP and power. Use mobile phone or monitor to adjust the angle. Test along, eye close. Distraction, left to right looking, yelling, calling, and smoking. Leave seat. Intercom to remind the driver on the seat management platform.
Please number 6789, the driver. Please focus on the driving. Driver carefully.
Okay.
Here is a CMS platform. Record along with the start alarm, photo, and video along on the platform in real time.
6789, the driver. Please focus on the driving. Driver carefully.
OK。对吧？这就是在讲，开始的那个什么，5个报警，就做一个东西，那交报警有了对吧？
Okay, thank you everyone.